Hi, my name is Piyushkanti Das. I am a student from Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology, BPharm first year. So, today my topic is home gardening. So, this is a mandatory for Mar. So, this topic is play. So, let's go to the
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.